Basically today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different, which is basically a food review with a friend of mine. So we're gonna be reviewing a restaurant. The name is Menendez. It's right here. So yeah, let's see how it is. After this, I have to go to the oil change and of course having a workout. So this is gonna be like a pre-workout meal or something like that. So yeah, let's see how everything goes. So let me put a pause here. Let's roll the intro. I have here my buddy Neil. So he's gonna be collaborating with me today. So yeah, basically let's see how this joint is, and this is gonna be something completely different than what we're used to see, basically. But yeah, let's do it. As a good YouTuber, the first thing that you have to do before enjoying any food is basically recording what you're gonna be eating and let it, the most cold it gets, the better, because that tells how much you're grinding, basically. So what we're gonna be rolling out today is gonna be basically this is gonna be a cauliflower pizza. So it's low in calories, so it's really good. And also we're gonna be doing it's gonna be I don't know if you can see it directly here. It's a chicken curry chicken wrap, which is good. And I'm gonna be drinking some of my calories today, which is basically a lychee CBD type of drink that is not gonna get me high by any chance, but at least it's gonna put me relaxed or something. So yeah, let's taste it. So first thing that I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be tasting this. Of course, this is not like a regular crust pizza. It's gonna be like something different. But let's see how it goes. I'm actually kind of impressed because it's really good. Actually, for not being like a real pizza, it's like really good. So if you are like in a low calorie version or something like that, something that you can go through. And the other thing is if you're doing like keto or something, since this is not like a flour or any version of nothing that is high carbs, it's gonna be something that is gonna be helping you. Let's keep enjoying this, and this is really good. The taste is amazing. Basically, it's for not being like a real pizza, it tastes like a real margarita pizza, but with a different crust. But it's crunchy. I'm kind of impressed, basically. Now, something that I forgot to mention about this cauliflower pizza is that it's a good alternative. Like, for example, those days that you want to go and basically tackle like a whole pizza or something like that, if you go to one of these places and you get something like this, you're not gonna regret it. Basically, you're gonna enjoy it, and you're not gonna be feeling guilty or anything. And yeah, basically that's a plus for me. The wrap, this is basically a chicken curry with some lettuce, and I don't know what else is here. It's like a sauce or something like that. But let's see how it goes. If I could describe this, it's basically something fresh, something that you will eat in a day that you don't want to like break so much your diet. Tastes good, tastes curry. Definitely the pizza is better, but of course this is more macro friendly than the pizza. But yeah, basically it's really good. So see you guys in a little bit. Let's try the CBD lychee. Looks amazing. Let's see. Okay, it tastes super good. Like, this is nothing about like fitness right now, but if you put like rum in it, or if you put like vodka in it, that's a great drink, basically. So vodka plus CBD, it's gonna make you like happy, basically. So let's put a pause here because I really want to enjoy this. So something this makes me want to go basically to go to a liquor store and get some freaking vodka and put it here. So yeah, so basically let's put a pause. So welcome back, guys. Good afternoon. I just finished up my nap. I'm also going to Publix. Unfortunately, I couldn't record while I was on Publix. Reason why is that, you know, the attendants, they got a little bit pissed off and stuff like that. I don't know why, but yeah. Basically, next time I'm gonna bring a GoPro and I'm gonna try to record with that, because with my son it was I think it was an hour kill. So basically, this is what I got, and I wanted to show you. This is gonna last me like a couple of weeks, except for the chicken is gonna last me a little bit more. And this is what I'm gonna be running. So the first thing that I'm gonna be running at is gonna be chicken. This is gonna be a staple. So something that I do is that I take advantage of sales in the market, and basically what I do is, in this case, for example, it was buy one get one free. So I got 4 of them. So I basically paid for a couple of them. So that's pretty good, and it is a pretty much, you know, it's a huge amount of chicken. I'm gonna show you how to prepare and everything in the day of, you know, the day that I'm gonna be showing you the, you know, the meals that I prepare and everything. So another source of protein that I use is tilapia or cod or swordfish. I rather go with the, you know, the one that is not seasoned or anything, that way I can prepare it myself. But in this case they didn't have, so I have to, you know, to go with this one. And this one is a really good one. It's salmon, and basically has pretty good macros, and it is good for, you know, fatty acids and stuff like that. So basically I use this on my non-training days. It's kind of like a treat. So the other thing that I do is Greek yogurt for my, you know, my protein intake. And as you can see here, I have the other things that I use is basically, you know, the Ghost vegan protein is really good and allows me to, you know, to save in the actual I forgot the name. It's cholesterol. Yeah, when you eat a lot of chicken and a lot of meats, there is a lot of cholesterol. That's not good for you. You know, I'm not a doctor or anything, but you know, I know that if you take a lot of cholesterol, it's not that good. So basically, the other thing that I do here is whey protein. So it's also healthy, and yeah. So basically, here I have. For the carb source, I have basmati rice, which is really good. And you know, these packages are convenient a lot, but if you want to really save money, you can go with the, you know, the uncooked one, and you can prepare it. But I do this one most of the time because it's you know, pretty easy to put it on the microwave and finish up your meal. So for fats, for other carbs, I have oatmeal, so it is really good. I go with the, you know, the cheapest one. Every oatmeal is basically the same. If you go with the prices one, well, good for you. I cannot afford that. And also hippie meal, as per Chris Young, and a lot of spinach. I really love spinach. I can go through one of these packages in one day, no issues. But normally I can, you know, I split it for, you know, for me to last me like a couple of days. And the last thing is gonna be blueberries. So this one I'm gonna throw it on the cereal and also in the shakes and stuff like that for antioxidants. And yeah, that's basically, that's gonna last me like a couple of weeks. And yeah, and peanut butter for happiness. You cannot go wrong with peanut butter. It's so good. I'm actually afraid of peanut butter because that's like my kryptonite. So basically,
Every time that I open that jar, it's like a temptation that I have. So I don't know if I'm gonna get like one of those separate packages or something like that, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you like it. Love you guys. If you like this content, please share, comment, and subscribe. Ring the bell, and yeah, let's jump to a gym edit and have a wonderful day.